Welcome to Natural Beauty Adventure, guys. Today we are in Changhua, one of the famous factory, which is Kuan Yuan Lian, which is the famous factory for the cosmetic. They use natural ingredients in their products. Therefore, it's very famous. Not only the product is pure, but also they a plant care expert in Taiwan for more than 30 years, and they continuous research, development, innovation, and upgrade. So all their product is 100% natural ingredient they used, and they plant their plants themselves and take care of it. So in the starting of the video, we just take a group picture outside of the factory. Because these pictures are very important for saving our memories. After that, warmly welcome. We just they just visit us inside the factory.
Handmade cosmetic factory.
Oh, good. I like it.
Girls are very happy.
And because it's a cosmetic factory, so all of the girls with us are very happy to visit there. Then they can find many product here, and most of them buy many product also. So in the starting is the factory is very beautiful, attractive, very great smell.
Wow.
So in the starting they bring us in the lecture room to introduce about the factory, and they just giving us very water for everyone.
Special water.
Yeah, so
If you drink,
if you
you
feel
cannot
thirsty, you can.
feel
It's a
thirsty
very
for 1
good
week.
thing that they will giving us a water.
भाई अंधेरे में रूम के अंदर कौन सा लाइट है?
After that, they will introduce about the history of this company, and I'm very glad to listen that because their history is very great. If you want to know about that, you can check their company or Instagram. You come to know how about this company.
Is a gift from his wife.
So guys, after this amazing lecture and introduction, they show us how they like oil face and dry face. So because my friend, she is oily face, so they're showing which cream is used. So they first use one toner.
It's non-fragrance and non-alcohol.
For longer.
Yeah.
好，然后在家的话，我们可以这样，就是喷在化妆品上，然后做使用。那它里面呢，因为它里面有非常多丰富的维他命 C， 所以假设说油性肌肤，然后
They mentioned that there is a vitamin C in this one that she using.
Vitamin C, so if your skin is sensitive, you still can use it.
The feeling is good.
Like you have the service.
然后因为because you are oil skin, right? So today I will show you a aloe gel for oil skin, and if you after sun you can use.
Sunburn.
After sunburn. 然后是里面它是有很高的芦荟成分在里面。
Aloe vera.
If you got sunburn, you just think.
Oh, it's very good. Because in Taiwan we burn a lot.
那同时这个也可以当做是面膜使用。
You can use it as a mask.
As a mask?
Yeah, you can use it.
And after how many minutes we should wash it as a mask?
20 minutes?
10 to 15 minutes.
那如果它是只有擦脖子擦一点点的话，就不用洗掉，是要擦到很厚，帮它做隔离。
Because you are oil skin, so we only use two simple steps. The first one is toner, and the second one is aloe vera gel. And it's our last step, right? 这是最后一步啊。
对，对，最后放这个是最后一步。
Sounds good.
Yeah. 还有
Is it resistant to water?
Second,
Is it resistant to water?
yes, it's ocean friendly.
So after showing what the product they use for the oily skin, they also introduced how to use on the dry face. So one of my friend has a dry face, so they're using what they can use. In the starting, they use a toner. After they use one special cream that is for use, specially used for the dry skin. So after showing these things, now it's time for the DIY, in which they teach us to make one of the toner, and there is a most of the that I like is in this toner the smell. There is the different smell ingredients. One is the rose, one is the lemon, and one is another flower. But because I remember these two, in my toner I use lemon and rose, and the fragrance of this is very amazing. So he teaches how to make this one.
Here, and you can see the 80. Have you seen we mark the 80 on it? Yeah, and you just put the local toner to until 80. 80. We have market. We have market. We have market. Yeah.
Yours 3. Okay.
So they are teaching us to first fill this bucket small, about 80 milliliter ml of. Yeah, so everyone here they filling making 80 ml. Yeah, one of my friend here showing that, and he is just filling. After it's time to put these ingredients, it's the smell. I love the rose smell, and lemon. I mix with the lemon and rose. It's a one drop of this
This is
to make.
lemon is for white
Yeah, lemon is for white.
and rose.
Rose is for white, and you can use
Smell?
all day. You can use all day, and lemon is only for the night.
Oh,
So this ingredients is specially used for the white for the whitening skin, and also used for the smell for rose.
Only one drop.
no, no.
Yeah, like this.
Oh, okay. I think then it's okay, okay.
One drop. One drop.
नहीं नहीं मैं अब लेमन डालूंगा.
So I just give my camera to my friend, and I try to put the rose and mix with the lemon, because before that I just smell it and its smell is so good. So I put one drop of the lemon, which is used for the whitening, and one drop of the rose, which is used for the whitening as well as for the smell.
Okay, so you can put into a bottle.
After that we fill the bottle with this.
Put this one.
So our toner is almost ready. So everyone is filling their bottle.
Which one you mix?
Green tea and that fruit is near to cucumber.
Near to coconut.
And write down a flavor that you put in your toner.
So after that they give us the take name, so we will write our name. So we show them that we make ourselves, so it's self-made product, and also the date expiry, because we not used any kind of a preservations. In the starting I mentioned that everything is a natural ingredient, so they not use any preservation. So it's almost 1 month for the date expiry, so we just write our name and date of expiry on it, and we just bring it home and we need to use it, because I love this smell.
Also, any question? Any question?
No.
So the people here always very friendly and asking if anyone any kind of a question you have, you can ask about any type of their products or anything. They are very happily answer, and the people are there very good and amazing and warm welcoming. So guys, you can see a lot of product here. If you want to buy, because this was not only in Taiwan, it's in international level. You can buy from Thailand, you can Vietnam, you can buy Indonesia, Philippines, and many more countries. You can find this product. And if you still want to order from the online, I will give the Instagram in my description, so you can maybe order from in their Instagram and also follow them to see their new product, because every time they're researching and they're making new innovation. And most important, all these are the pure natural ingredients, so there's not too much side effect of these things. So there's many product, guys. I just making simple clips of this product. If you like anything here, you can order. And there is an area in the factory, so you can check and about this. One of my friend is just for that you just need to wash your face. After washing face, you can use this product. And I think my friend reviewed that it's very cool, good. It's make your face like a fresh, and he says that it's very cool and like he make it fresh face. So because due to the natural product, I think it's a very good quality.
Okay, we next. It's only 5 minutes. Okay. It's okay.
Because due to the smell and due to the softness, he like a lot to make more rub on the face. I said do fast, just for fun.
Yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video. Now we are going finished. So there is a DIY in which they make teach us how to make a one toner, and we take this toner, and there is a small gift from here. So it's very good. If you visit here, it's very good. It's a natural cosmetics make here, so it's very good. So don't forget to Kuan Yuan Lian. So in Changhua, if you really like, you visit, and I will share the Instagram in the description. You can follow there. So if you want to order or anything, I will share the Instagram, so don't forget to follow this. Bye bye.